Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life. This next set of stretches is called the upper trap stretch. What we're going to do is tilt our head to one side with the assistance of our hand. Take the other hand behind our back, hold this stretch for 7 to 15 seconds, and then turn our nose to the armpit of that same side and hold for 7 to 15 seconds. And we're going to do the other side as well. Exactly. Tilting the ear to one side, lateral flexion, 7 to 15 seconds, and then nose to the armpit, to the same side armpit. Trapezius muscles get really tight when you're behind a computer and in front of a desk. A lot of people hold tension around their trapezius muscles. Good job, dude. Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online, or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.